Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend wealth target calculation for covering mortgage payments. Many people want their investments to help pay important monthly expenses, and one of the biggest expenses for many families is the mortgage payment. This simple dividend wealth target calculation shows how much portfolio value may be needed to generate enough dividend income to cover a mortgage every month. First, start by finding your true monthly mortgage payment. This should include more than just the loan payment. You may also need to include principal, interest, property tax, insurance, and HOA fees if applicable. In this example, the monthly mortgage payment is $2,000 per month. Next, convert that monthly mortgage payment into an annual income need. Since dividend yield is usually calculated on a yearly basis, multiply the monthly mortgage payment by 12. So, $2,000 multiplied by 12 equals $24,000 per year. This means you would need $24,000 in annual dividend income to fully cover a $2,000 monthly mortgage payment. After that, choose an expected dividend yield. Dividend yield means the annual dividend income divided by the total portfolio value. For planning, the infographic uses example yields of 3%, 4%, 5%, and 6%. A lower dividend yield usually requires a larger portfolio, while a higher dividend yield requires a smaller portfolio. However, the yield should be realistic and sustainable, not just the highest number available. Then, calculate the required portfolio using the core formula. The required portfolio equals annual dividend income divided by dividend yield. In this example, the annual dividend income need is $24,000, so the calculation becomes $24,000 divided by the expected dividend yield. Now, compare the portfolio needed at different yields. At a 3% dividend yield, $24,000 divided by 0.03 equals $800,000. At a 4% dividend yield, the required portfolio is $600,000. At a 5% yield, the required portfolio is $480,000. At a 6% yield, the required portfolio is $400,000. This shows how the expected yield can strongly change the total investment target. However, it is also smart to add a safety buffer. A buffer helps account for taxes, inflation, fees, and possible dividend reductions. In this example, a 15% buffer is added to the $24,000 annual income need. 15% of $24,000 is $3,600, so the new annual income target becomes $27,600. With the buffer included, the required portfolio becomes higher. At a 3% yield, $27,600 divided by 0.03 equals $920,000. At a 4% yield, it equals $690,000. At a 5% yield, it equals $552,000. At a 6% yield, it equals $460,000. This safer version gives more room for real-life costs and unexpected changes. Next, estimate how long it may take to reach the goal. The formula is target portfolio minus current portfolio, divided by annual contributions. For example, if the target portfolio at a 4% yield with buffer is $690,000, and the current portfolio is $100,000, then the remaining gap is $590,000. If annual contributions are $20,000, then $590,000 divided by 20,000 equals about 29.5 years. At the same time, remember that this simple timeline does not include investment growth or reinvested dividends. If the portfolio grows and dividends are reinvested, the timeline may become shorter. But if markets decline or dividends are reduced, the timeline may become longer. Before depending on dividend income to cover a mortgage, it is important to check a few things. Know your true monthly mortgage cost, convert it correctly into annual income need, use realistic dividend yield assumptions, add a safety buffer for peace of mind, and stay consistent while letting compounding help over time. The main takeaway is that higher dividend yield lowers the required portfolio, but the yield must be sustainable and realistic. Focusing on quality dividend stocks or ETFs may help support more stable long-term income. So, in this example, a $2,000 monthly mortgage requires $24,000 per year in dividend income. At a 4% yield, the portfolio target is about $600,000. But with a 15% safety buffer, the target becomes about $690,000. This calculation is an educational illustration only and not financial advice. Dividends are not guaranteed, investments involve risk, and results can change based on taxes, fees, dividend cuts, and market performance. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.